Through the eyparent app, you're able to keep track of all your invoices and payments, and even, depending on your nursery's settings, make payments through the app. On the home screen, you'll see a summary of your account balance and deposits. If you'd like to see a list of all your invoices and payments, tap View Details. Tap on an invoice or payment to see an overview of it. If you've selected an invoice, you'll also have the option to see a more detailed breakdown. From here, you can download the invoice to your device as a PDF by tapping this icon at the top of the screen. If your nursery supports integration with payment gateways, you can use the Pay Now button to pay invoices from the app. You can see which payment methods are available from this menu. If your nursery has Tax-Free Childcare enabled, it will also appear as an option here. Selecting it will bring up a pop-up with guidance on how to set up TFC, so you can use it to pay through the app. This button directs you to the HMRC website, where you'll need to give permission to eyworks to access your TFC account before moving forward. Follow the instructions to sign into your account, and you'll receive confirmation when the authorization is successful. Now you have to link the TFC accounts of each of your children. You may select more than one child to link at a time. Confirm that the date of birth is correct, then enter their unique TFC reference code, which can be found within the HMRC account portal. Selecting Linked Children will enable TFC as a payment method. To pay through the app, go back to this screen and tap Pay Now. Select which payment method to use from this field, and fill out the payment and deposit amounts. Then, tap this button. Depending on your payment method, you might then be taken to your nursery's chosen gateway to make the payment. For more guides on using the eyparent app, take a look at the eyparent section of your Help Centre.